For warehouse roofing Rochester Hills MI, apartment complex roofing Rochester Hills, and office building roofing Rochester Hills, commercial roofing Rochester Hills projects require a contractor who can balance durability, cost, and schedule. A commercial roof system on a busy property needs precise planning, fast execution, and dependable materials that support the building envelope. From roof ventilation and roof insulation to roof deck installation and roof drainage, every detail affects long-term performance. Businesses looking for a Michigan commercial roofing contractor in Rochester Hills often need roofing services near Rochester Hills MI that protect tenants, equipment, inventory, and daily operations without disruption. Roof replacement Rochester Hills MI is often the smartest option when a roof has recurring leaks, extensive deterioration, or failed previous installations. A full roof installation Rochester Hills should be matched to the property type, whether the project calls for flat roofing, metal roofing, TPO roofing, EPDM roofing, or modified bitumen. For commercial roofing Rochester Hills, the right system improves energy efficiency, weather resistance, and property value. A roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI should assess the substrate, existing layers, and drainage conditions before recommending roof replacement, roof restoration, or roof coatings for maximum service life. Roof installation Rochester Hills, Michigan is essential when a property develops damaged seams, punctures, membrane shrinkage, or localized failures around penetrations. Roof leak installation and roof leak detection Rochester Hills should be completed quickly to prevent mold, insulation damage, and interior business interruptions. For commercial roofing Rochester Hills, flat roof installation Rochester Hills often involves roof flashing installation, patching, sealant work, and roof waterproofing to stop moisture intrusion. When commercial roofing Rochester Hills requires immediate attention, a trusted roofing contractor can stabilize the issue, protect the building envelope, and reduce the risk of a larger roof replacement later. Flat roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan remains a popular choice for industrial roofing Rochester Hills MI, retail roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan, and warehouse roofing Rochester Hills MI because it supports HVAC equipment and efficient drainage design. A properly installed flat roof system needs strong roof drainage solutions, dependable roof flashing, and routine roof inspection Rochester Hills MI to monitor seams and membrane condition. Roof maintenance Rochester Hills helps extend the life of TPO roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan, EPDM roofing Rochester Hills MI, and modified bitumen assemblies. For property managers, proactive commercial roofing is one of the most effective forms of property maintenance. Metal roofing Rochester Hills is often selected for long-term durability, wind resistance, and low maintenance. Metal roof replacement Rochester Hills MI can be ideal for commercial facilities needing superior performance and a modern appearance. A skilled roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI will evaluate fasteners, panels, flashings, and transitions to ensure proper roof waterproofing and leak resistance. For industrial roofing Rochester Hills MI and office building roofing Rochester Hills, metal systems can deliver exceptional protection when paired with roof coatings, roof ventilation, and a detailed roof inspection plan tailored to Rochester Hills commercial roofing demands. Roof restoration Rochester Hills, Michigan is a cost-effective way to renew aging systems without a full tear-off. Roof coating services Rochester Hills MI can improve reflectivity, seal minor imperfections, and add years of service to flat roofing, TPO roofing, EPDM roofing, and modified bitumen roofs. A commercial roof system benefits from restoration when the structure remains sound and the existing membrane can be reinforced. Commercial roofing Rochester Hills property owners often choose roof restoration to reduce downtime, control budget, and improve roof waterproofing across large surface areas. Roof inspection Rochester Hills MI should be scheduled routinely to identify early warning signs before they become expensive failures. Inspections help detect ponding water, cracked flashing, damaged seams, loose roofing materials, and compromised roof insulation or roof deck installation needs. For commercial roof installation Rochester Hills, ongoing inspection supports warranty compliance and prolongs service life. Roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI professionals often recommend seasonal roof maintenance Rochester Hills to protect office building roofing Rochester Hills and retail roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan from heavy rain, snow, and freeze-thaw cycles. Roof flashing installation is critical for commercial roof system integrity because flashings protect the most vulnerable transitions on the roof. Chimneys, curbs, walls, skylights, and penetrations all require secure details to prevent leaks. Rochester Hills roof flashing installation and Rochester Hills roof waterproofing services help protect warehouses, apartments, and industrial buildings from water intrusion. With commercial roofing Rochester Hills, a small flashing defect can quickly lead to roof leak installation, insulation saturation, and interior damage, so fast response is essential for every property maintenance plan. Storm damage roofing Rochester Hills can include punctures, wind uplift, hail impact, and debris-related damage that affects both flat roofing and metal roofing. After severe weather, roof inspection Rochester Hills MI and roof leak detection Rochester Hills should be completed immediately to document damage and reduce business interruption. A roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI can determine whether roof installation Rochester Hills, Michigan, roof restoration Rochester Hills, Michigan, or roof replacement Rochester Hills MI is the correct solution. For commercial roofing Rochester Hills, storm damage installation is a priority that protects assets and stabilizes the building envelope. Rochester Hills roof drainage solutions are a major factor in preventing ponding, leaks, and premature roof failure on flat roof systems. Proper slopes, drains, scuppers, gutters, and downspouts help move water away from the structure and reduce stress on membranes like TPO Roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan and EPDM Roofing Rochester Hills MI. Roof drainage, roof insulation, and roof ventilation all work together to support long-term performance. For commercial roofing Rochester Hills, sound drainage design is just as important as roof installation, roof maintenance, and roof waterproofing for reliable year-round protection. Commercial roofing Rochester Hills demands a roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI that understands every commercial roof system, from flat roofing and metal roofing to TPO roofing, EPDM roofing, and modified bitumen. For office building roofing Rochester Hills, warehouse roofing Rochester Hills MI, retail roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan, apartment complex roofing Rochester Hills, and industrial roofing Rochester Hills MI. The right roofing services near Rochester Hills MI should deliver roof installation Rochester Hills, roof replacement Rochester Hills MI, and long-term building envelope protection with durable roof insulation, roof drainage, roof ventilation, roof waterproofing, and roof flashing solutions. Roof installation Rochester Hills, Michigan is essential when leaks, punctures, seam failure, or storm damage compromise performance. Roof leak installation, roof leak detection Rochester Hills, roof deck installation, and Rochester Hills roof flashing installation help restore safety and extend the life of a commercial roof system. From flat roof installation Rochester Hills to metal roof replacement Rochester Hills MI, businesses needing storm damage roofing Rochester Hills, roof restoration Rochester Hills, Michigan, or roof coatings should rely on a Michigan commercial roofing contractor that can protect property maintenance budgets while improving energy efficiency. Roof maintenance Rochester Hills and roof inspection Rochester Hills MI are critical for preventing costly disruptions to commercial properties across Rochester Hills. Routine roof inspection, roof maintenance, and roof installation support better roof performance for commercial roofing Rochester Hills, roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI, and property maintenance planning. Whether the project involves Rochester Hills roof drainage solutions, roof ventilation improvements, or roof waterproofing for a flat roof, proactive service helps protect the building envelope and reduce emergency roof leak installation needs. Roof installation Rochester Hills and roof replacement. Rochester Hills MI require precision, especially for TPO roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan, EPDM roofing Rochester Hills MI, modified bitumen systems, and commercial roof restoration. A skilled roofing contractor can handle roof installation, roof deck installation, roof insulation upgrades, and roof coatings that improve reflectivity and durability. For commercial roof installation Rochester Hills, The focus should always be on long-lasting materials, proper flashing, secure drainage, and dependable waterproofing for Michigan weather. Roof Restoration Rochester Hills, Michigan is a smart option for aging commercial roofs that still have structural value. Roof coatings, roof maintenance, roof inspection Rochester Hills MI, and roof waterproofing can extend service life for flat roofing, metal roofing, and industrial roofing Rochester Hills MI. Businesses seeking roof restoration, roof installation Rochester Hills, Michigan, or roof coating services Rochester Hills MI benefit from a roofing contractor Rochester Hills MI that understands commercial roof system performance, storm damage installation, and the demands of local climates. Flat roofing, roof flashing, and roof drainage are major concerns for roofing services near Rochester Hills MI, especially on warehouse roofing Rochester Hills MI and retail roofing Rochester Hills, Michigan. Commercial roofing Rochester Hills projects rely on proper commercial roof installation Rochester Hills, roof replacement, roof installation, and roof maintenance handled by a trusted Michigan commercial roofing contractor with expertise in roof leak installation, roof flashing installation, roof drainage solutions, and Rochester Hills roof waterproofing.